The Wiens Law Calculator solves a fundamental challenge in thermal radiation analysis. It precisely determines the peak wavelength of electromagnetic radiation emitted by a blackbody at a given temperature, or conversely, calculates the temperature from observed peak wavelength. This relationship is crucial for thermal imaging systems, astronomical spectroscopy, industrial pyrometry, and calibrating light sources in optical engineering. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes. You can calculate peak wavelength from temperature, calculate temperature from peak wavelength, calculate peak frequency from temperature, calculate temperature from peak frequency, calculate photon energy at peak wavelength, or calculate spectral radiance at peak. For this demonstration, let's select Calculate Peak Wavelength from Temperature. The interface shows temperature K as the input field, with an example value of 5,778 Kelvin shown. The corresponding peak wavelength NM output field displays 501.5 nanometers as the example result. Let's work through a practical example. Imagine designing a thermal camera for monitoring industrial furnaces. Enter 1500 Kelvin in the temperature K field. The calculator instantly computes the peak wavelength as approximately 1932 nanometers. This tells us the furnace emits most intensely in the near-infrared spectrum. For comparison, entering the sun's surface temperature of 5,778 Kelvin yields a peak wavelength of 501.5 nanometers, right in the visible green spectrum. These outputs directly inform sensor selection and filter design. The peak wavelength determines which detector material and optical components will capture maximum thermal radiation from your target. A critical insight: remember that Wiens' law gives the peak wavelength, not the only wavelength. Blackbodies emit across a broad spectrum, so design your systems accordingly. Find the link in the description below.